This week, we'll be exploring the worlds of ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. Most of our focus will be on Egypt, in part because more artifacts and materials exist for us to work with. Because of its geography, a river valley flanked by impassable desert, Egypt was at peace for many years. Mesopotamia, a fertile valley surrounded by hostile mountains, was the site of frequent warfare. So overall, there was more continuity in Egyptian civilization than in that of Mesopotamia. We'll be reading important texts from ancient Mesopotamia, including the Law Code of Hammurabi and the Epic of Gilgamesh. This week, like every week, our study is divided into 7 units: an introduction and overview, war and politics, trade and economics, religion, culture and the arts, daily life, and legacy, where we still see traces of these civilizations in our own world today. Each unit contains a video lecture which focuses on key issues and a narrated PowerPoint slideshow that focuses on key artifacts. These deal with different but related content. Most units also have readings attached. These are primary texts from the period, translated into modern English. Each week, you will have 2 weekly assignments: a multiple choice quiz on the week's materials, including the readings, and a content mastery exercise. The quiz measures your knowledge of the course content for the week and is tied to the weekly learning outcomes. The content mastery exercise asks you to place important events on a timeline and to identify important places on a map. Unlike a quiz, you keep working on the content mastery material until you can answer all the questions correctly. Thus, by the end of each week, you should know roughly what happened during the period we're studying, in what order, and where. In addition to the quiz and content mastery exercise, there's also a weekly discussion board on which you can debate central issues raised by the course material for the week. The course also has a midterm and final exam. These exams draw on questions you will encounter on the quizzes, as well as adding some new ones. And the final work of the course is a creative design project due near the end of the course. Check the syllabus for details and deadlines.